Okay, what is up? I haven't vlogged for 2 weeks. That's a long time. Is it for 2 weeks? Yeah. 2 weeks since I haven't. Wait. 2 weeks since I haven't vlogged, since I haven't touched this camera. 2 weeks. I've been super busy for the past 2 weeks. Sorry. Just got off a warm shower, a really hot shower, and feeling a little bit thirsty. Ooh, look. Look at that. Look at that. That is a ribbon on a bottle. A ribbon on a bottle. I saw it on Japanese and it's Christmas. I think that's why they do it. They do this every single year. And they perfect it every single year. Look at that. A perfect ribbon. And I just had to pull a tab. Perfect ribbon. Anyway, back to the vlog. Gotta clear the house a little bit, but then we're gonna leave. We're gonna have a family trip to IKEA. I don't know why. My mom doesn't even need anything. She doesn't, like, I don't know what it is about IKEA. It's like, it's a place where you hang out, but it's a furniture shop. Like, what is that? What is, I mean, IKEA, you've kind of made it, I guess, as a furniture shop. If you make someone just wants to hang out there. Whew. Anyways, I'm gonna clear up just for a bit, and then we can leave. And Ayako should be coming in 30 minutes. I'm gonna meet her at the station, and then we can leave. We go get the car, we go drive to the IKEA. Or is it IKEA? Or IKEA? I don't know. Yeah. It's raining. It's raining. That's whew, I don't want to go out in the rain. Anyways, gotta go down, get the, well, actually meet Ayako first, and then get the car, and then we can leave. Driving in the rain. I hate driving in the rain in Japan, because, I just said Japan. I hate driving in the rain in Japan, because, oof, I hate it. Just people, they just can't drive. I swear, especially, I was about to say especially Japanese people, but I'm in Japan, so they're everywhere, basically. They just can't drive. This is not gonna be good for my camera. Okay, so we have arrived at IKEA. IKEA. I still don't know what's the. Is it IKEA or IKEA? We should really.
IKEA.
Are you sure?
日本語
So in Japanese it's IKEA. I think this is a Sweden company, and in Sweden I think it's IKEA. I don't know. Phoebe said it's IKEA, so I think it's IKEA.
IKEA.
The family have actually gone ahead. Why do they always do that? Why do they always go ahead? I need to go to the toilet and then I gotta find them. I hate finding people. I really hate finding people. Joshua, how are you? Oh my god. Ah, it's sticky. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Why you keep eating it?
Let's test how safe Japan is. I'm gonna leave my iPad in the trolley right there at our table. When we come back, we'll see if it's there. This is a stupid test. I left the iPad.
Why?
Do you think it's gonna be there? We're gonna get more.
I'm not sure.
That looks nice. Oh. So many food. Oh my god, this looks nice.
Take one. Eat later. Hey, we.
The iPad was there. Japanese. Okay, so now we are gonna have dinner. I think some of us didn't have lunch, so this is like dinner / lunch. Linda. And then we're gonna go start shopping. This camera's really low. Time lapse. Alright, we just finished our food. It was quite a long time. We ate for like 1.5 hours. Okay, I don't know. This is going around. Please don't fall. Okay, this shopping is getting out of hand, okay? The girls are shopping too long. I gotta take care of the baby. Ugh. When I say girls, I mean my mom. And she don't even know what to buy. She just comes here, she looks, and then she's like, oh, that looks nice, and then she buys it. You know, why don't girls, you know, have a plan? Have what they want. Like, oh, I got no pants, I gotta buy pants. You know, not just go shopping and then just choose and then take time. Why do you guys do that? That's a segment of me complaining about girls.
Going home. Wait, didn't you go by yourself?
That's it. We're done shopping, finally. That was long, man. 2 hours. 2 hours of shopping. What are we going to do next? Are we going to... Okay, we gotta go back. Let's go. Is it 3 or P3? Look how many stuff we bought. That's 2 carts we bought of stuff. Look at that. Why do we buy a lot of stuff, Shimi?
It's mostly yours.
No, it's not. I didn't buy anything. Ma, it's yours. There's people in the elevator. I'm vlogging with people in the elevator.
Stop it.
Whew. Okay. We have just finished at IKEA. Oh, it was such a long day. It doesn't seem like a long day on camera, but it was a long day. Ah, that's it. Wow. Oof. There was no content. We just went to IKEA. That was shit. What should I call this video? Make a thumbnail. Ooh, fall. That'll be our turn. There. See, the lighting's perfect. Fall. And that will be like my first clickbait video. Yeah, for those of you guys clicked on it, it's well, you got clickbait baited. Is that a thing? Look at this. You don't see this every day. Okay, that's it. If I wasted your time today, yeah, I'm sorry. But then if you guys liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Okay, we're good. We're done.